How to get product videos for affiliate marketing. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how to get product videos for affiliate marketing. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Pinterest and then you have to just search for any specific product that you want. Now for example, I'm just going to come to this search bar over here. You have to simply click the search bar and then you have to search for any product in Pinterest. Let's go for shoes over here and then click the search icon. Now it's going to just load the results. You can see you have all these options over here, and if you want you can search for videos as well. Just go to shoes and then add videos over here and now click search. Likewise, you'll find the videos in the search option, and now you can just download any video. Once you find the video that you like, you have to simply click it and then click this share icon in the bottom right corner. And it's going to pop up with this menu. Now you simply have to click copy link. And now you simply have to download this PinSaver app from your app store. Go to your app store and then you have to just search over here in the search bar for Pinterest Video Downloader. Once you search for Pinterest Video Downloader, you'll get this app over here. Simply open it and then you have to just download it. Now go to the app. And here you have to just come over here to the Pinterest Saver app and click allow paste. And now just click into this box and then paste. Now once you have pasted, you have to click find. It's going to load the results for you and now click save. Now it's going to ask you to add the video to your photos or the gallery. You have to click allow. It's going to ask for the permission and you have to click allow. Once you click allow, you have to click OK. Now if you want, you can go to the CapCut app and here you can just edit the videos if you desire to. For that, you have to go to the App Store and then you have to search for CapCut in the search bar. And it's going to give you this option of CapCut. You have to download the CapCut app and then you can just work on it. And if you want, you can just go with the video itself. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.